more than that, yung boses mo, nag-iba na yung meaning ng boses mo. Diba? Kumapal na siya dahil sa lahat ng hirap na dinaanan mo, na yung pala ay importante para lalo mapatibay ang pagkatao mo at para maging mas matamis ang tagumpay na matatanggap mo. And as I said, it was not only your dream, it was the dream of every Filipino artist to prove to the world continuously na mahusay ang mga awit na Pilipino. At maraming salamat dahil ikaw ang bagong simbolo ng mga pangarap na yun. And I know in our hearts na nakita rin namin, umuwi ka dito, pwede ka naman nanatili doon, but you opted also to be coming here, to be sharing your victory, to be celebrating with your countrymen, mga kababayan natin dito, at patuloy na pinapakita sa lahat na kung nagawa ko, kaya rin. Kaya nyo rin yun. And thank you, thank you, thank you. You may not feel it right now, but you will change a lot of lives with that achievement that you did. And thank you for not giving up. And thank you for continuously fighting not only for your dream for your family, your dream for the nation, and also pati ng ABS-CBN. Kasi gusto naman talaga namin na patunayan na magaling talaga ang husay ng isang Pinoy artist. So again, maraming salamat. And on behalf of ABS-CBN, we welcome you officially to Star Magic and to ABS-CBN. Congratulations. Welcome home.
Welcome home. Thank you very much for that heartfelt message, Direk Lauren. Mas naramdaman namin kung gaano